Hi there, thank you for watching. This is our weekly grocery haul. This week our grocery haul from Separate Farmers Market. I got one dozen large egg for $1.29. I got 2 plates of chicken breast, was about $5 each. I think $1.99 a pound. And also I got a salmon. It was $9.99 I think. And also I got some tuna. We don't buy canned tuna. That's how we make our tuna. I also got 2 bunches of cilantro and some mushroom. I'll be making cream of mushroom soup end of this week. And got some cucumbers. I'm gonna use 2 for each time to make salad out of them. Also I got 4 bunches of parsley. And I got some brown cow yogurt, 2 mocha and 2 coffee flavor for me and my husband. Also, I have to run to the international market. I got a few types of macaroni or pasta, and this brand is all natural. I used to buy it from Amazon before this international market opened. Down here, I will leave a link in the description box for it on Amazon. Also, I got loose tea leaf tea. It's chai chichik, which is flower tea. And also I got some Turkish coffee, but it's Egyptian made coffee and it's really good one. Usually I don't do this, but I got a few pouches of seasoning just because they are all natural. It turned out to be really good and delicious. And this one is mushroom and garlic gravy, and it's just 39 cents. And also got 3 pouches of cream of mushroom seasoning for mushroom soup. It's 59 cents each, and I'll be using 1 or 2 and leave the other one for later on. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share.